The mother bucker is overbuilt on purpose because we know that downtime during harvest is just not an option. With just a little bit of care each day, your mother bucker will provide years of maintenance-free service. To maintain your bucker, each day it's important that you clean the rollers. To do this, start by disconnecting the power source, and then you can spray down the rollers with a little bit of rubbing alcohol and use a stiff bristled brush to get the bulk material off there. Done daily, it's easy to clean the rollers. If you wait, the buildup can be incredibly difficult to remove.
And do it again.
In order to avoid flat spots on your rollers, it's important to back the pressure off if the machine is going to sit for more than 24 hours. Simply back the bolts out until all the pressure is relieved. Your mother bucker comes with high-quality Sealmaster bearings that do not require grease. The number one reason that bearings fail is due to over-lubrication. At the speeds these machines are operating at, they do not require grease. Take care of your machine by either storing it inside or using a tarp if you're going to need to leave it in the field. Here's a little trick that's going to help you move the outdoor version of your machine around. Use a loop of rope to hook around one of the tires to allow you to change the direction that the machine is traveling in.